Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hairunisa Sahulalata, student ID 6414220003, majoring in agribusiness, Faculty of Agriculture, Gorontalo State University. In this video, I will review a journal entitled Analysis Revealed Comparative Advantage and Competitiveness of Corn Commodities in Gorontalo Province. Authors Wintanoi, Echan Adam, and Yuliana Bakar. The first part, Introduction. Indonesia, especially Gorontalo Province, has great potential in corn production. Corn is not only important as a food source, but also has a strategic role in food diversification, the feed industry, and export. In 2020, Gorontalo successfully exported 37,100 tons of corn to countries such as the Philippines, Malaysia, Korea, and Vietnam, with an export value reaching 8,891,750. However, the corn sector faces several challenges, such as unstable selling price, the absence of government purchase price, and the mismatch between seasonal production and constant market demand. This competitiveness of corn commodities is measured through competitive advantage or selling price and quality, and comparative advantage or production efficiency. This study aims to analyze the competitiveness of corn commodities in Gorontalo Province by recognizing that corn has the potential to become an important export commodity that can increase national income. Next is the method section. This study is a quantitative descriptive study that analyzes the competitiveness of corn commodities in Gorontalo Province. The research data comes from official agencies such as the National and Provincial Central Statistic Agency, as well as the Gorontalo Provincial Agriculture Service, using secondary time series data for a decade to measure competitiveness. The study used the Revealed Comparative Advantage, or RCA, method, which allow an assessment of the ability of commodities to compete in domestic and international markets. RCA analysis determines competitiveness based on index value. With specific criteria, RCA value above 1 indicate strong competitiveness, while below 1 indicate low competitiveness. The RCA index allows for a comparison of annual export performance with an interpretation that describes the dynamics of development of corn commodities in Gorontalo Province. And finally, the result and discussion section. The study reveals the dynamics of corn commodity export in Gorontalo Province for the 2011-2020 period, which are marked by significant fluctuation. The export value varied from 2 million to 225.40 in 2011, a peak of 33,434,516.18 in 2018, with several years without export activities such as 2013, 2016, 2017, and 2019. The Revealed Comparative Advantage or RCA analysis shows that Gorontalo Province generally has high competitiveness in corn commodities, with RCA value consistently above 1. However, there was a period when exports stopped due to low international corn price, which encouraged trades to focus on the domestic inter-eastern market. The performance of Gorontalo corn's export fluctuated with the RCA index in 2012 and 2015, showing a decline. Exports were made to countries such as the Philippines, Malaysia, Korea, and Vietnam. The study suggests that the government needs to pay attention to selling price policies at the farmer level and provide support for export activities to improve the province economic performance. That's the result of my journal review. Sorry if there are still wrong words in pronunciation. That's all from me and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.